Hi, Coley. Does Daddy have a camera?
Say,
1, 2. What comes after 2?
so you come to after the camera. Hey there.
We always have to say the date. So you get to
I
say
think it's
the
April
date.
10th, 1994.
Thank you, Matt.
Yes, anytime. I still do know the day. Haven't lost it completely yet.
So Chloe, 1, 2.
3.
Yeah, there you go. Hello. Hello, Cole. So nice to see you. Want to put the lei on? You want to wear the lei now? Yeah, okay. Go for it. Your very own.
Cool.
Cole Goes Hawaiian. I like that. That's a movie. Right? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Where are you going, Coley?
You're getting too close. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gonna stand up? You'd be awfully tall.
Wow.
Whoa. Okay.
Answers and to my questions. What's your name?
Daddy.
No, that's Daddy with the camera.
Hi.
What's your name?
Daddy.
Cole and Daddy.
Who am I?
Mommy. Dad.
What?
Sister.
Susan.
And
Right.
Very. It's like on, off, on, we could say.
Well, whenever he wants anything open, it's often. Often.
As good as the
Not
body.
funny, don't fall.
He
Yeah.
just wants to see the camera. You want to get down?
then
Okay.
yeah. Mama.
The hammer's gone. Daddy. The hammers are sleeping.
Hammers, I think.
Go
they're
show me
maybe-
how you do your workbench,
Come
Coley.
do the saw.
Go do the saw. Coley. Coley, show Daddy how you do the
Do
saw.
you want to do it up there?
Oh, he's got a pegboard and everything. Look at this.
Okay, here you go, Colin. Oh, you're gonna do that first.
Oh, I get it. So if he puts it on that red thing, it makes the noise?
Attaboy.
Give him the saw. Let's see you do the saw, Cole.
He's doing his nails first. Want a saw? Boy. That's right. Thank you.
Good job.
You're not in a very good position.
It's filming right now.
Yeah, I know it is.
Here's Cole at tool time. Oops.
All right.
Cole, try the saw.
Want a saw, Chloe? You're thirsty? So why don't you saw and I'll get you a drink.
Is it on standby? Push it again.
Were you crying?
I was a little, I was mostly smiling at her. She looked so happy. You had to do something.
Happy.
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 Yeah.
Are you happy?
Oh, he's so strong.
Can you blow a kiss
boy.
to the camera?
Thank you.
Is it poopy?
The horsey.
That's a pig. Get the pig. Seconds, come here. Dylan, please. Daddy's asking nicely.
Does it focus automatically or do you like?
It's should be focusing automatically. Come here, Dylan. I just want you to come here for 1 minute because I want the camera to see how pretty you are. Come here, Dylan. Go zoom in.
Uh-uh.
Here.
Oh, there you go. It's definitely a right-handed equipment. Like this.
With your thumbs in your there. Come here. Come out your mouth. Come on. Not in your mouth. Look at the camera for just 2 seconds. Come on. Dylan doesn't want to be filmed. How about if it's upside down? Swinging upside down.